HubSpot CRM offers a comprehensive, free tailored service to empower businesses in their marketing efforts. From reaching potential customers with ads to direct communication through email, it ensures your message gets across effectively. For a free service, the marketing part of the CRM comes with a lot of capabilities. The ads tool lets businesses cast a wide net to reach potential customers efficiently. The email feature streamlines direct communication, ensuring effective outreach. HubSpot's landing pages serve as an engaging entry point for the visitors, with the design tools create visuals that resonate with your brand. The platform's embedded forms simplify data capture and engagement. Now you can create beautiful landing pages, design visuals that align with your brand, and effortlessly capture visitor information.